And we came across a smoking brick oven, so we're gonna check it out. So these guys literally manufacture bricks and then sell them. ¿Están fabricando estos?
Sí, este es ladrillo.
Ajá.
Ajá.
¿Y cuál es su nombre, señor?
Patricio.
Patricio, mucho gusto. So right here is where they stick the wood in on fire, and it heats up all the bricks that are on the inside. So let's see if we can squeeze in here. So now we're inside the brick oven, and they have these layers of bricks, and it just starts with dirt, literally dirt, that they find in these special places, and they have layer after layer after layer after layer, all the way up to the top. And then here, the wood is on fire, sticking in here, burning, and they wait for it to get really hot, then they plug those holes and just let it smolder and cook in here for 8 days. And when the 8 days are done, they have to seal that, but then they take that seal off and they let it cool off, and a few days later, the clients come, the customers come, and pick out the blocks that they want to take with them. This over here is the raw mud that they stack up, getting ready to put into the ovens. So you can just see these are just mud blocks. And there's the finished product.
If you like this video, smash the like button. And if you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you know when new videos come out.